What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Now today's recipe is a rather quick, simple and easy one. This one is for my coffee lovers. But before we jump into this video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and turn your post notification on so you never miss any of my upload. Let's get into it. Here I have some instant coffee, some wheat germ, some dates, some almond milk, some rolled oats, some coffee creamer, and my banana. Now guys, I'm only going to use half of this banana because this is a big banana, guys. This banana is huge. So let's jump straight into the video. Alright, so here I'm just going to cut this banana into half. And now guys, the riper the banana, the creamier and sweeter your smoothie is, and you don't have to add no added sugar. So I'm gonna add my rolled oats for extra fiber. And of course guys, you know your potassium comes from your banana. I'm just gonna add my non-dairy coffee creamer, a date for extra sweetness and fiber as well. The star of the show, my instant espresso. Some wheat germ for protein. And of course my almond milk. Now guys, you could just go simple and just use plain water, but no, you could use any other nut milk or plant-based milk of choice. And I'm going to go in with a few ice cubes. Now I'm just going to blend this until smooth. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and tag me in any of my recipe that I have done on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen, and let me see how it turns out. And there you have it, guys. Your breakfast smoothie is ready. This was amazing, and to all my coffee lovers, you will love this one. And I'm just gonna add a pinch of oats on top for garnish. And there you have it, guys, a nutritious, delicious, refreshing breakfast smoothie that you could make in less than 5 minutes, guys. And that's it, beautiful people. Until then, I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.